question CPA exam candidates ask is, how can I fulfill the 150 credit hour requirement for CPA licensing purposes? Almost all jurisdictions have implemented the 150-hour rule for CPA licensing purposes. This rule caused CPA exam candidates who do not meet this requirement to be worried about what to do to fulfill the 150-hour requirement. Oh, Ala, shall I sit for the CPA exam now or until I meet the 150-hour requirement? I will not be able to get my CPA license anyway. Oh, Ala, but what if my CPA exam credits expire before I become eligible for licensing? Well, the process for earning 150 credit hour is simpler than most of you think. Now, most candidates think that they must have a master's degree to meet the 150-hour requirement. This is an option candidates can take, but there are also other options that can help you fulfill the 150-hour requirement. In today's video, I will be giving you 6 options you can choose from to fulfill the 150-hour requirement. Option number 1. Take all the necessary hours at the undergraduate level. This means while you are getting your bachelor degree, you can take additional courses to hit the 150-hour requirement. This can be done by taking elective courses or doing a minor degree in any subject you want. For me, I recommend you take a minor degree, and the best thing you can do if you have a major in accounting is to take a minor degree in IT, information technology, or computer science. Why? Because IT with accounting makes you a super accountant. These days, IT is changing the world, and the CPA exam is focusing on IT, so it will be a smart idea to do a minor in IT. Make sure though to take sufficient accounting and business courses required by your jurisdiction for the CPA licensing purposes. So for example, Colorado requires you to have one audit course in accordance with GAS to sit for the CPA exam, but requires an additional audit course for licensing purposes. So make sure to pay attention to your jurisdiction requirements when it comes to the number and types of courses. This is now option number 1 is the easiest option to meet the 150-hour requirement. But because doing so involves planning in advance, most people do not do that because they are not aware about it at the time they are in the university. So you have to do the next best thing for your situation. Option number 2, which is to take additional courses after obtaining your bachelor degree at the graduate level to fulfill the 150-hour requirement. Now make sure to take these courses from an accredited college or university. If you already have the adequate number of accounting and business courses for your CPA licensing purposes, you can take non-degree courses like, for example, some people like to take golf courses, history, languages, whatever courses you love. Or you can take additional courses in accounting and business. A lot of people I know take a diploma in accounting, and it gives them like 30 credit hours in accounting and business courses. And it's also cheap, it's not expensive. These courses can be obtained from a local community college or an online university, but make sure it is an accredited institution. For example, I know somebody who took additional online accounting courses from the University of North Alabama, which is an accredited university. There are also other online universities that can give you a diploma in accounting and give you those 30 credit hours, such as the Amity University, which is I think an Indian university, but it's very cheap and it's an accredited one too. Now option number 3. If you have an accounting major, you can combine your undergraduate accounting degree with a master's degree in a different direction, such as a master's in taxation or an MBA, Master's in Business Administration. For me personally, I have a bachelor degree in accounting and I took an MBA degree. Now, option number 4. If you do not have an accounting major, you can take a master's degree in accounting. Master's in accounting is a good theoretical foundation if you want to work in academia, but it may or may not help you in your CPA preparation because it is theory and it may not add value to you a lot. So, if you have a business or a finance major and want to become a CPA, you can take a master's degree in accounting. Make sure, however, to learn the exact number and type of accounting classes your state board requires. Then you must make sure your master's degree will fulfill these courses. And finally, you can enroll in an integrated 5-year professional accounting school or program that leads to a master's degree in accounting. So these are the options you can use to fulfill the 150-hour requirement for CPA licensing purposes. To learn the step-by-step process to apply and schedule your CPA exams, make sure to get your CPA exam cheat sheet. It's in the link below, in the description below. It is totally free, so make sure to get this cheat sheet, which I give you step-by-step process to apply to your CPA exam and schedule the exam. To learn the eligibility requirements to sit for the CPA exam, make sure to watch this video. And if you want to learn the difference between the CPA licensing requirements and CPA exam requirements, make sure to watch this video as well. If you like this video, give it a thumb and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Remember, go after what you want. Pass the CPA exam because you can become CPAs and save the world.